In this video, we are going to learn about the quotient rule. Now, quotient rule is a rule in differentiation that we use whenever we are differentiating a fraction. If you have a fraction and you are asked to differentiate, we actually use the quotient rule. So what did the quotient rule state? The quotient rule is given as this. If you have u over p, that means if you have a numerator divided by a denominator, this one is the numerator, this one is the denominator. It's the same thing as the rule is that if you are differentiating this function, what you have is we are going to write v as it is, which is the denominator, and then you differentiate the numerator with respect to x. Okay, then minus, now write u dv over x all over v squared. This is the quotient rule. That means when you have a function that you're asked to differentiate a fraction, first you write the denominator as it is, then you differentiate the numerator minus, you write the numerator this time, differentiate the denominator, then divided by v squared. Okay, so now let's take an example. Let's say we are given a function like x3 to the power of 3 divided by 5x plus 1. Alright, so let's say we are given a function like this and we are asked to differentiate the function. So applying this rule now, this is going to be, so the rule said that first we should write the denominator as it is. So we are going to write what, 5x plus 1. Then we are going to differentiate the numerator du dx, that means we are differentiating the upper one. So if we differentiate this x to the power of 3, we are going to bring down the power, which is going to be 3x, and then we subtract 1 from the power, so 3 minus 1 is going to be 2. But if we differentiate 3, it's going to become 0, because anytime you differentiate a constant, the number without any variable is going to be 0. So this is it. Then minus, we should minus, then write the numerator, so we should write this upper one, which is x to the power of 3 plus 3. Then multiply by, you differentiate the down one, the denominator, so we are differentiating this one. If we differentiate 5x, we know it's going to be 5, just going to be 5. And then if you differentiate 1, it's going to be 0, so no need of writing the 0. Then everything all over b squared, so that means the square of this one that is down, so we'll write 5x plus 1 all squared. So now, what we want to do next for here is to open this bracket, multiply this one that are outside together with what is in the bracket. So if we do that, we are going to have 3x squared multiplied by 5x is going to be 15x to the power of 3, because we have x here to the power of 1, x to the power of 2, that is going to be 3. Then 1 multiplied by 3x squared is going to be still 3x squared. Then here we have minus. Now 5 multiplied by 5 x to the power of 3 is going to be 5x to the power of 3. Then this minus is going to affect this one again. So we have minus, then 3 times 5 is 15. So everything divided by 5x plus 1 squared. So what we want to do next one here is to collect like terms. Those ones that are similar, we collect like terms. So you can see we have 15x to the power of 3, and we also have minus 5x to the power of 3. So 15x to the power of 3 minus 5x to the power of 3, that is going to be 10x to the power of 3. Then now plus this our 3x to the power of 2, then minus 15 all over. Then what we have here is 5x plus 1 all squared. And this is the answer to this question. So that's how we will carry out the differentiation using the quotient rule.